begin with 5 minutes of meditation, okay, and then um, we will move towards a dance. Yeah. So just sit comfortably, maybe on a chair or cross feet, back slightly straight, both the hands on your laps or on your knees, and close your eyes very gently. Take few deep breathings. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, and just release, relax. And from here, bring your awareness towards your breath, towards your natural breath, your incoming and outgoing breath, however it is. Just be aware. Keep watching your natural breath. If you find yourself distracted because of any thoughts or because of any external disturbance, external sounds, or anything, so just be aware of this tendency of your mind as well, and very patiently bring your awareness back towards your breath again and again for the next few minutes. Come back, bring your awareness back towards your breath. Keep watching your ingoing and outgoing breath. Now bring your awareness towards the floor you're sitting upon, towards your surroundings, towards your body, and just give a little movement in your toes, in your fingers, and bring up beautiful and a broad smile on your face, as broad as you can. And keeping this smile on your face, slowly and gently, you can open your eyes. Namaste, आप सबको. Good evening. I hope you all are well and keeping yourself safe. आइए. So, very quickly, we have a new member in our group, Meher. So, if you can introduce yourself with the group.
Hi, my name is Meher and my mom will also be joining us. I like art. I just finished an art class before doing this. And yeah.
Okay. So, Meher, why did you join this workshop?
Because I've done Kathak like twice or thrice. And I also like dance. So
Okay. And is there a good thing about you or a bad thing?
I like biting my nails. That's a bad thing about me.
Okay. And what about good thing?
I like to do art. And whenever I do art, I like to give it away to people. I like to make stands. Then after I'm done making those stands, maybe I'll go donate it to our Niche Wale labor.
Okay, 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 cool, great. So Meher, because it's a third day of the workshop, okay, so अभी आपने बीच में क्योंकि ज्वाइन किया है, so अभी जो भी चल रहा है आप वहीं से उसको कंटिन्यू कीजिए, ठीक है? And previous two sessions का maybe I'll share the recording with you and you can just cover it up by watching those recordings, okay? आइए, so let's start with Bhumi Pranam, okay? So take your position.
And Neha कर दिया है.
आइए. So, as of now, we have learned uh, four mudras. Okay, so this is Pataka. Let's revise all the mudras. This is Pataka. Then this is Aral. Okay, the three fingers will stay together, and the first and the second finger will be like this. Okay, and then this is Samput. Both the hands like this. Yeah, and this is Anjali. Okay, Anjali is when we do the namaste or to greet somebody. Okay, so Pataka, flat, Aral, Samput, and Anjali. Okay, so let's start with the Bhumi Pranam. For now, Meher, maybe you can just uh, pin any one of them from the group, okay, on your screen and just simply follow them. Okay, आइए. 3, 2, yes, Apurva, Devsthan, yes. 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. यस बेला थोड़े से जल्दी आ गए राजधानी की स्पीड में. हाँ, थोड़ा सा गरीब रथ की स्पीड में चलो. आओ, वन मोर टाइम. ठीक है, वन मोर टाइम. 3, 2, 1, स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 1. Very nice. आ जाइए. So today we will begin with the one thing. So let's write it down first, okay, and then I'll share the movements. Okay. Meher, I hope you have your notebook and pen with you. Yeah. So now what we are going to do, so there are basically two parts of dance, like we call it nritya, right? So nritya is basically, I'm just quickly sharing the concept of nritya basically. Okay, so basically what is nritya? What do you think? What is dance? Any one of you would like to share what is dance? What do you think? What is dance? Or what is nritya? It's an expression. Okay, what else?
And grace as well.
Grace. Okay. Anything else? Expression through movement of body. Yes. मोटा मोटा जितना हम जानते हैं, we call it expression, है ना? To express yourself, or maybe a medium, one of the medium to express yourself, right? So as we are doing the classical dance, so according to the Shastras, so Nritya has two aspects. One is Nrit, okay? It is not Nritya, it is Nritta, okay? And the another one is Natya, okay? Nrit and Natya. And when we join them together, it becomes Nritya. Okay, so what is Nrit? So Nrit is basically the technical aspect of a dance form. Okay, technical as in, as we did the tatkar, the foot movement, or the hastak, the hand movement, or the chakkar, and all the technical, where we need to use some kind of a technique, right? And the Natya is basically
Drama.
Yes, not exactly drama is not the right term to use it in the dance.
Yeah,
You can use it in the theater, but that is like more like abhinaya. Okay, the bhav paksh of the dance form. Okay, where we use the different expressions to depict a story or your emotions, or can be anything. Okay, so the technical and the expression, when we mingle them, so then it becomes nritya. Okay, so abhi tak we haven't done the nritya. We are just focusing on the nrit part of the dance form, right? So today we will explore little bit of natya. Okay. So in this natya, we will begin with because we are doing the classical dance form. So we will begin with the Guru Vandana. Okay. So can you explain who is a guru? Like किसको हम बोल सकते हैं कि वो गुरु है? According to you, any one of you. Guru.
The one who has the skill and can teach as well.
Who has the skill
Like
and
you.
can teach us, from whom we learn. Yes. Or
Guru is a lamp.
yes, Guru is a lamp. Can be, yes, you can say that. So क्या ऐसा है कि Guru is kind of a person only, or
Yeah, no, it can be nature. I think you can take Mother Earth as your guru as well. Like I love the tree form of being guru. They teach us so many things. So objects can also be guru if you want to see it like that way.
yes. So Guru is like anything, any person, any situation, any condition that helps you to be a better human being, right? So it is not always about who is imparting some knowledge or inculcating some knowledge in you, but that knowledge should help you to being a better human being, right? ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई आपको गलत ज्ञान दे रहा है और हम वो हमारा जो व्यक्ति नेचुरल जो स्वभाव है उसको वो डिक्रीज कर रहा है, राइट? सो you all must have heard this shloka in Sanskrit. It's a Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. है ना? सबने सुना है ना?
Yes, definitely.
इसका मीनिंग मालूम है? Do you know the meaning of this shloka?
मतलब आप ही सब कुछ है हमारे लिए काइंड ऑफ, और आपको हम वंदन करते हैं।
और तो ये ब्रह्मा विष्णु इनकी क्यों बात की गई? सीधा सीधा लिखते थे तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः, दैट्स इट। खामखा 4-5 लाइनें क्यों डाला ऊपर? नहीं परेशान मत हो बेला, हम आंसर ढूंढ लेंगे। तस्मै, ओके, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग इट डाउन। आप लोग भी नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं इसको, एंड देन we will discuss the meaning and then the movement.
Brahma is the creator and Vishnu is the one who enriches us. So वो सब इकट्ठा करके गुरु वो सब कुछ हमें देते हैं in a way, इसीलिए शायद।
थोड़ा सही जा रहे हो बेला। Any one of you would like to share the meaning of this Guru Vandana according to you? No? Okay, so very simple. So Brahma, we call it as Bela shared that Brahma is the creator of this सृष्टि, right? है ना? ब्रह्मा को हम बोलते हैं उन्होंने क्रिएट किया है, हम लोगों को पैदा किया है। And the Vishnu is the one who is taking care of all of us, right? जो चला रहा है इसको, हमारा ध्यान रख रहा है, पालन पोषण कर रहा है। And the Maheshwara is, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, there is a cycle. If there is a birth, then there is a death also. जो भी चीज आती है वो खत्म होती है, right? So the same way Maheshwara is there to destroy. So Brahma is giving us the birth, the Vishnu is taking care of us or leading the Srishti, and the Maheshwara is to destroy. Okay, so in this shloka, like it is, so Guru को equal माना गया है ब्रह्मा के. So the Guru is equal to the Brahma who can create, or the Vishnu who can take care of you, and the Maheshwara who can destroy you as well. Okay, and Guru is Sakshat Parabrahma. Sakshat Parabrahma means beyond all these three, the supreme power is there, right? So Guru is equal to that supreme power. Okay, so that means the place of a guru is on the top, like on a highest level. And the Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, we bow down to such guru, or we do the vandan or the namaste or the pranam to that guru. Okay, so this is Guru Vandana. So ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश, इट इज जस्ट सिंपल। उनसे कंपेयर इसलिए किया हुआ है क्योंकि वो क्रिएट करते हैं, पालन पोषण करते हैं, और वो उसको खत्म करते हैं। ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज देयर। आई होप इट्स क्लियर गुरु वंदना, राइट? Should I stop the screen sharing? I hope everybody is, you know. Okay, so now let's do the movement on this Guru Vandana. मैं इसको स्पॉटलाइट करती हूँ। Yes. Give me a second. So in this Guru Vandana, so we have written the alap on the first line, right, before Guru Brahma, है ना? So what is that alap in Indian classical music? So when you take that syllable a and do the variation with your throat, Okay, so we call it alap, something like something like that. Okay, so don't go with my singing skills. Okay, I'm good at dancing, not at singing. So there are 3 alaps in the beginning. Okay, so in the first alap we will be doing nothing. So second alap onwards we will start moving our body. Okay, so in the first alap what we will do, we have to sit. Okay, please एक बारी देख लेते हैं पहले, and then we will do. Yeah. Yes. In the first alap, we are sitting, but your back should be on the you are sitting on the opposite side. Okay, and your both the hands are in Anjali Mudra and on the top of your head, like this. Okay. And while sitting, let me show you the foot position. So your one knee is down and another knee is up. Okay, and you're sitting on the heels of both the feet. Okay, one knee should be down and another knee. So if you remember, when we do the Bhumi Pranam, we put both the knees on the floor, right? But
Yes.
here, just one knee should be on the floor. Okay, and both the hands up in Anjali Mudra and back. Okay, let me show you. Like this. Okay. आइए,
Yes.
पर पोजीशन देख लेते हैं बैठ के. If anybody has any difficulty in sitting, maybe because of any kind of pain or anything, so you can do it by standing also. Okay, so just stand in V shape and just keep your hands on the Anjali Mudra. Okay, let's check the position.
अनु फ्लोर पे लेफ्ट वाला फुट है?
Yes, yes. Actually, you can use कोई भी foot, either right or left. It is more about balancing your body.
Okay.
है ना? So if you are comfortable with the right foot on the floor, you can do the right or you can do the left as well. हाँ, एक पैर नीचे में है और एक पैर ऊपर, मतलब एक घुटना नीचे. One knee should be down and another knee should be up, and both the hands up. Namaste. Yes, very good, Satya. Very nice, Aditi ji, Navni, great. Lakshna, turn, उल्टे हो जाओ, उल्टा बैठना है, उल्टा बैठना है. हाँ, great, Bila. Very nice, Meher, Apurva, great, very good, perfect, perfect. आ जाइए, come back. ठीक है? So in the first alap, we are doing nothing. We will be sitting in this movement only, in this position only. And when the second alap starts, we will stand up, okay? But make sure that we will not take the support of the floor, okay? Your hands will be up only, and then you have to just stand up. And we will take 1.5 round, 1.5 half round आपको लेना है. कैसे, मैं एक बार दिखाती हूँ. You are sitting here like this, and when the second alarm starts, you are just simply standing up, and from your left side, you are start taking the round like this. Simple, just walking and take the round, 1.5, come back on the front, and then bring your hands back on this position, on front of your chest. ठीक है? Simple. In the first alap, we are doing nothing. In the second alap, we softly stand up, and then we take the 1.5 round, come back on the front, and then bring your hands down. Okay. Aye, let's do both the alaps together. Yes. Take your position. Yeah. Haath upar. Yes. So for the first alap, I will count 4. After 4, you can start standing up. Okay. After 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Very nice. मेहर, मैं आपको ना पूरा नहीं देख पा रही. हाँ, थोड़ा सा स्क्रीन ऊपर कर दो. Yes. ठीक है. Okay, ठीक है. So this was the second alap. Now in the third alap, what we have to do? So when we go to the temple to do the puja, okay, so we have one plate of puja, right? Puja का एक थाली होता है जिसमें we have few things, right? So what are those things? in that plate when we go to the temple or that basket?
Flowers.
Flowers,
Coconut.
coconut.
Banana.
Yeah,
Diya, diya.
I really like the sound. Okay. Uh, incense, diya, है ना? That प्रसाद, अरे प्रसाद कैसे भूल गए? वो तो सबसे काम की चीज होती है पूरी थाली में. Okay. So now, अभी हम we won't be able to show everything, but we will मोटा मोटा show the flowers. Okay. To like अर्पण करने के लिए उसको अपने गुरु को. ठीक है. So now we will take care of the two mudras. So one is pataka. ठीक है. And another one is aral. ठीक है. So with pataka, place here just in front of your chest, not very up but little down. Okay. Yes. Just imagine that this is a plate, and with the right hand, with this aral mudra, you have to pluck the flowers. Okay. We will pluck the flowers and we will keep it in the plate. Okay. Let me show you and then we will do together. So, आप खड़े हो गए, इधर आए, ठीक है? This was your last position, and then you keep the left hand like this here, and the right hand with aral. So you pluck the flower from this direction, from your right. Yes, you pluck it with the aral, pluck it, and then keep it in your plate. Then the second flower from this direction. No, we will be using the same hand to pluck the flower. From the right hand, we will be plucking the flower, and the left hand we are using for the plate. Okay. So pluck it from here, and then turn back, pluck it from here, then keep it, and then from here, and then keep it. So you have to pluck the 4 flowers. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then come back. So there is no fixed foot movement. It is just walking. Let me show you the foot movement also. I am just simply walking, doing nothing. Okay. So it's like I go here, then I go here, then I go here, here, and then I simply come back to the front. Okay. And when we pluck the flower, so what you have to do, you have to just थोड़ा सा उसको खींचना पड़ता है. ऐसा नहीं कि जस्ट आपने छुआ और वो हाथ में आ गया, है ना? So that feeling should be there when you're plucking it. So just do this little jhatka in your wrist. Okay. Aye, let's pluck the flowers. Just imagine if you're plucking the rose or the lotus, तो pluck नहीं करना पड़ेगा ऊपर से, वो तो नीचे से हो जाएगा. But देख लो भाई, अपने अपने फूल चुन लीजिए. चलिए 3, आओ मैं, let's pluck the flower. Yes, position, yeah, from the first alap. Yes, may I take your position from the first alap onwards? 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Pluck the flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. By 8, you are on the front, and then make this movement like this. Yeah, open it, just in front of your chest. Okay, then turn it like this. Yeah, very good. Make a big flower. Yes, and then make like this. So this is another mudra. Okay, we call it Pushpaputa. I'm writing it here. Pushpaputa. Okay. So this is Pushpaputa, another mudra. Okay. Using this mudra, you have to do the flower. Like, आपको वो flower अर्पण करना है. Just give it to in the feet of your guru. Okay. So you come back here and then make this big flower. Okay. Then make Pushpaput and go on your right. Okay. On the right side, just do the arpan of the flowers and then come back in Anjali. Okay, this is in the third alap. This will go in the third alap. ठीक है? आइए, one more time. We will do only this plucking thing, okay? The flower plucking thing. आओ, एक साथ करते हैं. I will also do just plucking the flower. 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, on your right side, Meher. On your right side, you have to do this. Now, on your right. Yes, this is my right, that is your right. Okay, clear? So, this is the third alap. And then the Guru Vandana starts. Gurura Brahma, Gurura Vishnu. Okay, let's do all the three alaps together. And then we will move towards the Gurura Brahma with the counts. After 4 counts, then you have to stand. After 4 counts. अपूर्वा आवाज नो ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है आपका.
अब आ रही है?
हाँ, अभी आ रही है. यस.
अच्छा, मेरा ना इंटरनेट में काफी प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था, तो आप मुझे बहुत क्विक मोड में एक बार दिखा दोगे. इंटरनेट में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था, आप एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर दोगे क्या?
Okay.
वंदना का आई मिस्ड क्वाइट अ लॉट.
यस. तो आप अभी एक काम करते हैं अपूर्वा, मैं भी ना साथ में करती हूँ बाकी सबके. ठीक है, आप एक बार देख लो, ऑब्जर्व कर लो. सिंपल है, आप कैच कर लोगे. ठीक है.
ओके ओके.
आइए, so let's begin with the first alap. Take a position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pluck the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Very nice. ठीक है, बस वो 4 डायरेक्शन से फूल तोड़ना है और वो फूल को बड़ा वाला ऐसा बना के, और वो जैसे होता है ना अर्पण करते हैं या हम चढ़ाते हैं फूल, वो चढ़ाया राइट साइड पे एंड देन अंजलि वापस से. ठीक है, क्लियर इतना सबको? गुरु ब्रह्मा की तरफ बढ़. यस सत्या.
I think the plucking flower, I make the mistake. I not follow the 1, 2, 3, 4. This
Okay.
number.
So for now, actually, in the with the original music, so there is no beats in this Guru Vandana. So there is only just free flowing alap is going on. Okay. So because abhi right now we are not directly doing it with the music, so I am giving you the counts. But when you listen to the alap, na, so you just go with the flow of that alap. Okay. So it is okay because there are no beats. Okay, so there are no chance to match it your movement with the beat because it is just flowing kind of. Okay, we will do with the music also after some time. Okay, so now the Gurura Brahma starts. Okay, so what we will do in Gurura Brahma, very simple. You did the last movement here like this. Okay, so in Gurura Brahma, bring both the hands again with Anjali on the top of your head like this, and we will take 2 rounds keeping your hand on the top from your left. Okay, make sure that you are taking the rounds from your left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We take the 2 rounds. Okay, and then in Brahma we will show the Brahma. So just bring your right foot on the front, cross feet like this, and then with your left hand make pataka. With your left hand make pataka. With your right hand make aral and start writing it. So it is like all the Vedas, all the 4 Vedas we have said, like in our Shastras that it is written by Lord Brahma, right? So we are showing that he is creating the Vedas and so this is it. Okay? Till the time it is saying Brahma in the music, you will be doing like this. So the complete movement will look like Guru, take 2 rounds, little speed, not very fast, but yeah, little fast, and then Brahma. ठीक है. Make pataka with the left hand and Aral with the right hand, and we will write it down. Yes. Meher, exchange your hands. The left hand will be pataka flat, and yes, on the right hand you have to write it down. Yes. ठीक है. आओ try करते हैं. Gurura Brahma, only Gurura Brahma. We will do the Gurura Brahma. ठीक है. So this was your last position. No, this was your last position. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Start. Guru, take 2 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brahma. Start writing. Brahma. Yes. Very good. ठीक है. Clear? Meher, you have to take the 2 rounds. ठीक है. आप एक चक्कर ले रहे हो, आपको 2 चक्कर लेना है. ठीक है. Now, Gurur Vishnu. Again, take 2 rounds. फिर से both the hands up and take 2 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now there is one more mudra. We call it. I'm writing it here. So now, so many mudras are going to come. In the Natya Paksh, there are lots of mudras we use basically. So this, when we say na, shh, chup ho jao, okay. So this is Suchi, okay. Okay, make Suchi. Yes, Navni. Yeah, this is Suchi, okay. Yeah, when we think, yeah, are wo dekho, look at there. When we need to point out something, or maybe shut up. Okay, if you have to shout at somebody, okay, or you are showing anger, so we use this mudra, Suchi. So this mudra we will be using to show the chakra of Lord Vishnu. Okay, how we will do it? You take the 2 rounds. Okay, Guru, you take the 2 rounds, and your left hand will go down. Left hand will go down in Pataka mudra. It will be in Pataka. And the right hand is up there and just moving it like this. Vishnu, yes. And you're looking at front on your eye level. Okay? Yes. Make everyone, make Vishnu. Vishnu banaiye. No, Meher, no jumping Vishnu. Very still Vishnu. हाँ, आपको देख के लग रहा है Vishnu likes to jump, okay? But he doesn't really, okay? Yes. Now the Gurura Brahma and Gurura Vishnu together. Aye. 3, 2. Yeah. So this was your last position. This was your last position. Yes. Start from here. From here. 3, 2, 1. Start. Guru. Take 2 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Vishnu. Oh, sorry, Brahma. Sorry, Brahma. And then Guru, take 2 rounds again. Yes. Vishnu. Make Vishnu. हाँ, little up. Yes. लक्षणा पैर V shape में, विष्णु में, हाँ, विष्णु में पाँव V shape में रहेगा. ठीक है. एकदम straight. सत्या, right knee straight रखो. Keep your right knee straight, Satya. Yes. Vishnu. Clear? Huh? Now, Gurur Devo Maheshwara. Okay. So again, yeah, Bela, intelligent enough to take the 2 rounds. नहीं, good. मेरा काम आसान हो रहा है, लगे रहो. Okay. So in the Gurur, again we will take 2 rounds as usual. Okay. And now Devo Maheshwara. So we consider the Shivji ka jo another roop, we consider it with the Nataraj also. We do it like that. Okay, so we will now learn to how to make the Nataraj according to Kathak. Okay, so we will see the foot movement first and then the hand movement. Okay, so I'm just keeping it little down the camera. So what you have to do? So you have to tap your right feet on your right direction, okay, completely on the right, and tap it very strongly, okay, because it is going to give you the stability. Okay, so tap it very strongly, the right feet, tap it, and then after tapping it, just lift your left foot like this. You did it, and then lift it like this, and keep the toes pointed of your left foot. Yes. And make sure that you don't bend. Don't bend. If you are bending, then it becomes Bharatanatyam. If you are straight, then it is Kathak. Okay? Very little difference, but yes, the difference is there. Okay? Show me your feet. Let me check. Yes. Yes. And keep your spine straight. मतलब पीछे की तरफ मत झुकिए, एकदम सीधा रखिए.
हम एक बार फिर से बताना, राइट साइड पे जाना है या लेफ्ट साइड पे?
राइट पे जाएंगे लक्षणा. ऑन योर राइट. यस.
राइट.
यस राइट पे जाएंगे, राइट को ही टैप करेंगे. नहीं मेहर, ऑन योर राइट साइड. डायरेक्शन को लेके गड़बड़ हो रहा है मेहर आपका. राइट साइड पे टैप करना है और लेफ्ट लेग को उठाना है. विच इज योर लेफ्ट लेग मेहर? हाँ, लेफ्ट को उठाना है. यस, ठीक है. नाउ द हैंड मूवमेंट इज now your hands will go make pataka with both the hands. Okay, and the right hand will be up and the left hand will be down. Yes, like this. Pataka with both the hands and the right hand. So we are not actually touching it, little far, so that the movement looks more broad. Okay, like this. But both the hands pataka on your right side only. And don't make the baby Shiva, but the actual Shiva, the big Shiva. Okay, so stretch your hands. Yes. So now the complete movement will look like, let me show you. So it's like Guru. You take the 2 rounds. Devo, Mahesh, Vara. Okay, so both the hand and the foot movement will go together. And you have to look at your left. Okay, you have to look at your left. Aye, let's check. Only Guru Devo Maheshwara. We will do the Guru Devo Maheshwara. 3, 2, 1, start. Guru, take 2 rounds. Yes, Devo Maheshwara. Yes. नवनी पैर और ऊपर उठाओ, लेफ्ट लेग और ऊपर उठाओ, बड़ा वाला शिवा बनाओ, एक्चुअल वाला. हाँ, यस. स्ट्रेच और सामने स्ट्रेच कर दो, पैर को सामने की तरफ स्ट्रेच कर दो, मतलब उधर टुवर्ड. यस, टुवर्ड साइड. यस. मेहर ऑन योर राइट. मेहर ऑन योर राइट. ऑन योर राइट. मेक द शिवा ऑन योर राइट. आप सब कुछ लेफ्ट पे कर रहे हो, आई डोंट नो व्हाई. ठीक है, सो डोंट कंफ्यूज विद माय डायरेक्शन. ओके, ठीक है, छोड़ दीजिए. प्रिया, हम लोगों ने अभी एक गुरु वंदना स्टार्ट किया है. ठीक है, एक जो श्लोक है संस्कृत में, गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु. ठीक है, तो उसका हम शुरू की 3 लाइंस कर चुके हैं, गुरुर देवो महेश्वरा तक. ठीक है, सो मे बी यू कैन कंटिन्यू उसके आगे से. ठीक है, और मे बी यू कैन जस्ट सी थोड़ा सा कि क्या चल रहा है ना. थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया ज्वाइन करने में, तो थोड़ा निकल गया, बट कोई बात नहीं. लेट्स do it from the beginning, roughly from the first alap onwards, and then we will do it with the music. Okay, आइए, take your position. Yeah, yes Satya, take your position. We are doing it from the top, the first alap onwards. 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pluck the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make the big flower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back on the front. Now, Guru, both the hands up, take 2 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brahma, right? On your right, Lakshana, on your right. Right direction में लिखना है. Now, Guru, Vishnu, take 2 rounds and Vishnu. हाँ, नवनी चक्कर भी लेना है. Now, Guru, Devo Maheshwara. Yes, balance. Yes, look at your left, Navni. Meher, left side पे देखो. Yes. हाँ, पैर को, हाँ लक्षणा आगे खोलना है, दूसरे पैर का सपोर्ट नहीं लेना, हाँ उसको आगे खोलना है पैर को. यस, नहीं 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 नहीं, क्रॉस फिट नहीं, मतलब ऐसे चढ़ाना नहीं है, सामने की तरफ खोलो. हाँ, यस, अलग रहेंगे दोनों पैर, परफेक्ट. ठीक है, लेट्स डू दिस मच ओनली विद द म्यूजिक. ओके, आइए. So how will you recognize the alap, that this is the first alap, this is the second alap, and this is the third alap? Okay, so let's listen to the music first and then we will do. Okay, so I'll tell you where is the first alap, like the hint for that. So basically, when you will be listening the music, so in the alap section, you will find that the singer is taking very small pauses in between. So he's singing then he stops for a second. For a second he stops, and then he restarts singing then again he stops. Okay, and that stop or that pause is our hint. Okay, so when he stops, that means the first alap has gone. When he second time stops, then that means the second alap has gone. Okay, so just careful about that pauses. Okay, did you able to catch the pauses in between the alap? Yes. Aye, let's do it with the music all together. Yes. Take your position. Yes. Priya, maybe you can observe, or maybe you can just pin one of them, or maybe you can just follow them. है ना? Who should I pin? Maybe you can pin Aditi ji. Yes, looks good. ठीक है. So प्रिया, मे बी अभी आप इसके आगे से आप कर सकते हैं साथ में, ठीक है. और जो बिगिनिंग का आपका मिस हुआ है वो बाद में आप इनमें से किसी भी एक के साथ मिलके आपस में टाइम फिक्स करके, है ना, आप आपस में सीख सकते हैं उसको. ठीक है. आइए, इतना क्लियर है, आगे बढ़े. सो
महेश्वरा
नाउ यस लक्षणा.
अब महेश्वरा वाला दिखाना, लेफ्ट पे क्या रखना है और राइट पे क्या रखना है और पोजीशन क्या है.
अच्छा ठीक है, महेश्वरा वाला एक बार और कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, एक बार और देख लो. So in Maheshwara you take the 2 rounds as usual and on your right, ठीक है, on your right you have to tap your right foot and lift the left foot. Okay, हाँ, राइट को मार के लेफ्ट उठाना है. नहीं दक्षिणा, आपका ऐसे हो जा रहा है. ठीक है, मैं बोल रही हूँ उसको सामने खोलो, सामने खोलना है. Yes, और then right hand up, left hand down like this in पताका. Yes, yes, ये करना है. ठीक है, now it's perfect. ठीक है, आपका बस वो पैर ऐसे चढ़ जा रहा था, वो जो बैठते हुए होता है कई बार. ठीक है. Now the next line is Gurur Sakshat Par Brahma. Okay. Now again, now this time you don't need to take the 2 rounds. You will take only half round. Okay. Bad luck Bela आपके लिए. हाँ. Okay. So you are here, Maheshwara. Now we will take half round and we will stop on the back. Okay. Gurur. On the Gurur, on just on this word only you are taking half round on the back and bringing your hands back on the Devsthan, but on the back only. Okay, you are on the back. Okay. So Maheshwara and then Gurur, hands down. एक second. Just yeah. So Maheshwara, then Gurur, and on the Sakshat you have to open your both the hands on the top. Sakshat and look up. Okay, so you have to do this movement on the back and look up, and your feet will be like the right. It's going like this. Sakshat. Right foot one step forward and the left is on the toes. Okay. So it's like Maheshwara and then Gurur Sakshat. Okay. On the Sakshat you have to open your hands. Aye, let's check this movement. Only Gurur Sakshat. And look up. You have to look up. Yeah. Maheshwara position पे आते हैं. Let's do the Maheshwara. Yeah. Maheshwara. Gurur. Half turn. Sakshat. Open your hands. On the back only. Yes. And look up. Both the hands will be in pataka. प्रिया पीछे की तरफ करना है. उल्टे होकर करना है movement. प्रिया और लक्षणा उल्टे होकर करना है movement. Yes. पीछे. Very good. ठीक है. And now Par Brahma. What you have to do in Par Brahma? Yeah. So in Par Brahma, you were here Sakshat and just take again half round and come back on the front and then again sit in the जैसा beginning में हम लोग बैठे थे in the same position. Just sit and keep your left hand here just near your navel area in both the hands in Aral. So both the hands will Aral here and the right hand will go up like this. Par Brahma. Okay. And while doing this Par Brahma, just simply close your eyes. Okay. So Par Brahma. Keeping your eyes closed. ठीक है. ओके. एक बार देख ले. चलिए महेश्वरा से आते हैं. गुरुर देवो महेश्वरा. गुरुर साक्षात Brahma. Yes. Parabrahma. We will be sitting down and this movement. Parabrahma. Yes. Yes. आंखें बंद, नेक एकदम सीधा रहेगा प्रिया, एकदम सीधा, स्ट्रेट, नेक स्ट्रेट. Yes. एंड आंखें बंद. वेरी गुड. मेहर का. हाँ जी अदिति जी.
साक्षात फ्रंट में आके देन
हाँ.
हैंड्स को हाथ जोड़ के नीचे रखना है.
ओके.
या
सो बेसिकली
मुद्रा.
हाँ, तो जब आपका हाथ पीछे है ना, आप पीछे हैं, राइट, तो योर मूवमेंट इज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड, दिस मूवमेंट. ओके, सो ये करते करते आपको घूम जाना है. लेट मी शो यू. सो इट्स लाइक आपने किया गुरुर साक्षात and you are turning and you have already started making this movement and started sitting. Parabrahma. Okay, so guru is sakshat, you turn and then you, so direct वहां से आपका हाथ इधर आ जाएगा सीधा. ठीक है.
ठीक.
Let's do this with the music from the top. अच्छा Satya, I forgot to tell you, in the first alap we are doing nothing. Okay, when we are doing it with the music. So in the previous time you just started doing it with the first alap. So just leave the first alap and then second alap onwards we will be doing it. आइए, take your position from the top. ठीक है, going good.
गुरु ब्रह्मा में 2 सर्कल लेने में लगता है थोड़ा लेट हो जाता है, थोड़ा और जल्दी लेना है कि.
Yes. So maybe you can just increase the speed of your round. मतलब not like very fast, मतलब थोड़ा सा बढ़ा सकते हो उसको, जिससे कि वो अलाप के साथ भी मैच हो जाए और हम ब्रह्मा तक पहुंच भी जाए. और you can do one more thing. Instead of doing like making this position on the front and then start making the round, you can do both the things simultaneously. Like you are started taking the round and you are making it along with the round, this movement, है ना? So maybe it can help. Okay. So whichever way suits you, you can do, like you can experiment. Okay. आगे बढ़े. लास्ट का एक लाइन बचा है, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. हाँ, इज इट गोइंग ओके? ज्यादा फास्ट या ज्यादा ऐसा तो नहीं हो रहा? वैसे सिंपल है गुरु वंदना, इसमें ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं, काफी पोलाइटली आराम से चली जाती है. So in the last, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, I am writing a word here, then I will explain what is it. It is Nikas. Okay. So Nikas is one of the movement in Kathak dance, not exactly movement, but a posture basically. Okay. That we are going to use in this last line, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Okay. issue. Yes. So you were here. You did this, Anna, and then you have to in the Pushpaput mudra on the first. So there are 3 Tasmay Shri Guruve Namaha, right? So in the first Tasmay Shri Guruve Namaha, you have to bring the flowers from here. Okay. So with Pushpaput mudra and taking the flowers, you have to stand up also at the same time. So on the word Tasmay, we are standing up Tasmay and coming back on the V shape. Okay, like this. On the Tasmay, you take the flowers in Pushpaput and stand up. Okay. On the Shri pe just bring your right leg forward, left leg cross. Just simply cross feet on your right side. Okay, just make sure about the angles of the directions on the right side. And Shri pe, you are doing the same movement as we did in the beginning. Shri. Okay. And because it is on the right side, so just keep the right side outside, right hand outside, and the left hand will go up and like this. Let me show you more clearly. Yeah. So it is like this. Yes. So both the hands will be in Aran. This time, so this posture, the posture that I am standing in, it is Nikas. We call it Nikasa. Okay. So right hand out, left hand up, but both the hands in Aran. Okay. On your right, Meher, on your right side, not on left. आपका right side पे बनाओ. हाँ, yes. ठीक है. एक बार ये देखते हैं. तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः करेंगे. ठीक है. So the come back to the last position. पर ब्रह्मा. Yes. Take the flowers from the left side. Tasmay, stand up. Shri pe, do this on your right side. Shri Guruve Namaha. Right hand वही रह जाएगा, left hand ऊपर. Yes, and the right hand will be on the shoulder level, very straight. मेहर बनाओ, सब लोग बना रहे हैं, अभी बनाओ. Yes. हाँ, थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ मेहर. I am not able to see you. Satya, on your right side, on your right. Yes, right hand will go out and the left hand is on up. हाँ, और ऊपर ऐसे रखो, ऊपर, सर के ऊपर. Yes, so this is Nikas. ठीक है? Yeah, yes, Navni, I am able to see you. Okay. In the second Tasmay Shri Guruve Namaha, we will do the same movement. Okay, but how? Yes, Bila.
अब तो legs उसको cross करना है तो आगे कौन सा पीछे कौन सा?
Yes,
हाथ.
it's very simple. When you are doing it on the right side, so the right hand will be out, right leg will be out, and you will be taking the right angle only. Okay, and when you are doing it on the left side, then the left leg will be out, left hand will be out, and the left angle will be there. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now we will do the same movement on the left side. So how we will do? You did it here on the first Tasmay Shri Guruve Namaha. Okay. On the second, on the second Tasmay Shri Guruve Namaha. Now you have to take the flowers from here. The Pushpaput mudra in Tasmay. Take the flowers from the right side, your right side. No, your right side. Yes, Aditi. Okay. Take it from here. Now bring the left leg forward and cross it and do this. ऐसा फूल अर्पण करेंगे लेफ्ट साइड पे and keep the left hand out and the right hand will go up and this. ठीक है, same movement. We are repeating it both the sides. Yes. Let me show you. Let me check. आइए, both the तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. पर ब्रह्मा तस्मै, take the flowers from your left. Shri नो सत्या, नहीं सत्या अलग ही कुछ कर दिया. You have done something very differently. So just take the flowers from the left and push the put mudra and do this on the right side and then make nikas. Okay? So there is no this movement in tasmai. Okay? आइए पर ब्रह्मा. आज तो काफी एकदम ना स्क्वेट्स काउंट करते रहो कितना हो रहा है. ठीक है. पर ब्रह्मा. नाउ तस्मै. स्टैंड अप. Shri on your right. On your right. Navni on your right. Yes. Guruve Namaha. Yes. Right hand out, left hand up. सीधा हाथ बाहर रहेगा शोल्डर लेवल पे. नो नवनी सीधा हाथ बाहर. सीधा हाथ बाहर. हाँ और उल्टा हाथ ऊपर. यस. अभी दूसरी तरफ से
अराल है कि पताका है?
अराल. दोनों हाथ में अराल रहेगा. So this particular movement is an exception in Kathak. Like our both the hands are out, but we are not making it pataka. So that is why it is slightly different. We have called this position nikas. Okay. So now take the flower from your right side. Tasme Shri Guruve. Left hand out, right hand up. Namaha. Yes. हाँ प्रिया. जब हम लोग बैठे थे पर ब्रह्मा जब हम लोग कर रहे थे तो हम बैठे थे तो इसलिए हमने थोड़ा सा जमीन से उठाया था फूलों को. ठीक है. बट अभी जब हम खड़े हैं तो हम दोबारा से नहीं बैठेंगे. ठीक है. वरना हमारा वो लाइन निकल जाएगा. तो बस खड़े खड़े ही हल्का सा बेंड होके वहीं से हम फूल ले लेंगे. ठीक है. पूरा नहीं बैठेंगे. हाँ बस इतना. ये साइड से ले लेंगे. जस्ट इमेजिन करो बहुत एकदम फूलों के गोदाम में है तो कहीं पे भी हाथ मारोगे तो आ ही जाएगा फूल. ओके. ठीक है. नाउ the third tasmai shri guruve namaha is very simple. जो हम लोग भूमि प्रणाम करते हैं. So the movement you are doing it in the bhumi pranam, we will do the same movement in tasmai shri guruve namaha. Okay. So let me show you the third tasmai. Lakshna, I hope you are there. I'm not able to see your video and Meher also.
Yes ma'am, यहीं पर हूँ. वीडियो नहीं चल रहा.
Okay. So now the third tasmai will go the same as bhumi pranam. Tasmai Shri. We will say Guruve and then we will stand up. Namaha. Okay. But in the bhumi pranam we tap our feet, right? But in this we will not. Okay. We won't tap our feet because there are no beats. Just smoothly we will stand. Okay. आइए. Let's do all the tasmai, all the three tasmai together. पर ब्रह्मा. ओके. लास्ट टाइम बिठा रही हूँ. इसके बाद नहीं पक्का. ठीक है. चलिए. टेक द फ्लावर्स. तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Yes. From another side. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Yes. Now the bhumi pranam. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Yes. ठीक है. लिटिल क्लियर.
सेक्शन का मैं थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो रही थी कि फ्लावर किस साइड से उठाना है. कि जैसे इस तरह से करा, इस तरह से लाए, फिर इसके बाद लेफ्ट से करना है.
यस. सो व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग, जब आप बैठ के कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे आपका खत्म हुआ पर ब्रह्मा, है ना. सो देन just remember, if you are going towards the right to give the flowers or like this, so you have to take the flowers from left. Opposite चल रहा है. ठीक है. उल्टी साइड से उठाएंगे तो राइट साइड पे डालेंगे. राइट से उठाएंगे तो लेफ्ट साइड पे डालेंगे. ठीक है. और दूसरी चीज, जब आप अगर राइट साइड पे डाल रहे हो तो सब कुछ राइट होगा एक्सेप्ट टेकिंग द फ्लावर्स. ठीक है. आई मीन टू से राइट हैंड बाहर रहेगा, राइट लेग बाहर रहेगा, राइट एंगल रहेगा. आपको देखना भी राइट साइड है. देन एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑन द राइट. And if you're doing it on the left, then everything will be on the left only, except टेकिंग द फ्लावर्स, वो हम अपोजिट डायरेक्शन से ले रहे हैं, ठीक है। ओके, एक बार म्यूजिक के साथ कर ले इसको। और मैं भी एक काम करते हैं, मैं आपको एक बार ये पूरा करके दिखाती हूँ, ठीक है। आपको थोड़ा सा जो भी कहीं पे थोड़ा बहुत अगर डाउट है कुछ भी है, सो जस्ट क्लियर इट, ओके। सो आई एम जस्ट शोइंग इट वंस फ्रॉम द टॉप। ओके, सो द साउंड थोड़ा हो सकता है बिकॉज आई एम शेयरिंग द कंप्यूटर साउंड, सो इट विल reach you like 2 seconds or 3 seconds late, okay, so just adjust the movement accordingly, okay. So my movement and the sound may not be able to match because of this online thing. ओके, ठीक है, लिटिल क्लियर। करें एक बार म्यूजिक के साथ, आइए लेट्स डू दिस विद द म्यूजिक। टेक योर पोजीशन।
साक्षात् पर गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
ओके, गुड, नॉट बैड। क्या बात है। अभी मेरे को लग रहा है इतना जल्दी जल्दी सीखोगे तो मैंने जो डिसाइड किया था मुझे लग रहा है मुझे उसको रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा। आई नीड टू ऐड मोर थिंग्स इनटू दैट। ओके, ठीक है। So now in the last there is one more alap. Okay, in that alap we will do the very familiar movements. Let me show you. Very simple. So we just completed it here, right? After the third Tasmay Shri Guru Namaha. In the last alap, again we will bring our both the hands up in Anjali Mudra and we will take 2 rounds. Simple 2 rounds. Complete like this. You take 2 rounds and then just move your hands, bring it forward and then this. Okay? So this would be your last movement. Okay? Okay. Satya, there is one correction in your Bhumi Pranam basically when you're doing Bhumi Pranam. So you're doing this movement on your left, right? है ना? And when you're touching the floor, your hand or your forehead, so it should go on the opposite direction. I mean to say on your right. Okay. So your hands are on the left, up. When you're sitting, then it will go there on your right side, near your right knee. Okay. Bring it forward on your right. Yes, 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 yes. So you're doing it on the left. Okay. Ha. So ha. Yes, yes. This should be there. Okay. Okay, so the Guru Vandana is complete now. So abhi kya ho raha hai? Abhi it is more like only the movements are happening. No natya is visible, no abhinay is visible, no expression, no bhava is there. Okay, it is okay. But we have Saturday tomorrow. Okay, and we also did not practice today the technical things that we have learned in previous 2 days. So you just do the practice on your own. Sunday ko I will try to practice that also in the class. Okay, so in the last 5 to 10 minutes we will just thoda sa discuss about the classical dance and the other theoretical aspect of the dance form. Okay, so just give me a moment, or if you need water you can have that. Okay. So, yeah, it's here. Okay. So, do you know what is classical dance? What do you think? Like, according to you, what is a classical dance? Like, how do we differentiate that it is a classical dance or it is not a classical dance?
It requires training, hard training.
Okay. Okay. What else?
And
A certain
each
rules and all.
class,
It has certain, I think, rules.
Yes,
मतलब
yes, yes. So classical dance has certain rules. Okay. So the major, so when we call it classical dance or Shastriya Nritya, and what does it mean by Shastriya? And something which is based on the Shastra, which is based on the Indian mythological thing, or the books, or maybe the Ved, Puran, Grantha, right? So that cannot be changed, right? Let's say, for example, if I say like, so there is a Shastra in Hindu mythology, that the Ramayana we call it, right? So there is one incident in Ramayana when the Ravan kidnapped Sita, है ना? And if in today's day, if I say like, I really don't like it when Ravana kidnapped Sita like that. Okay, so let's change it. Okay, let's make it according to my taste or my feeling, right? So is it possible? Can I do that?
no,
Kyun?
because it's Shastra.
Yes, because it is fixed. It has already happened in the past, right? I cannot change it. Even if I try to change it, like nobody is going to believe or nobody is going to, follow that thing. है ना? So Shastra is like very fixed, very rigid, right? So that can't be changed. So for example, when we are doing tatkar, tati theta, why I kept on saying कि ta should be on right and a should be on left, क्या फर्क पड़ता है भाई, कर दो ना, पैर तुम लगा ही रहे ना, so but फिर भी we have to keep this thing in mind कि भैया ta is on right and the I will always be on left, right? Because it is there in the shastras, right? And we are following that particular shastra, and because it is a classical dance form. Okay, so the major thing of a classical dance form is, one, it is based on shastras, any shastras. Okay, and the second is, it has multiple niyam, what we call it niyam, the rules and regulations are there, and it is very rigid kind of a dance thing. Okay, so can you guess how many classical dance forms we have in India? ऐसे मत करो सत्या. Don't do this like this. Yes, how many classical, just guess.
8.
Lakshna is saying 8. Okay, what else?
It's to be double digit.
Double
at least
digit.
40, I think 40 or 50, I think.
40, 50. Okay. Okay. So let me share something if I'm able to.
Each state must be having their own. So around 20.
Don't tell me. इसको बड़ा कैसे करते हैं? Okay. So you're able to see the screen, right? Yeah. So Lakshna ने ठीक बोला. So there are 8 classical dance forms, not 40, Priya. Okay. So there are 8 classical dance forms in India, basically. Okay, so maybe we can just quickly go through them. So the first one is, if you remember the what we call it, the map of India. Okay, so we will start from the north. Okay, it will be easier to remember. So the first one is Kathak that we are doing. This one is Kathak. Okay, so Kathak belongs to the North India, northern part of India. It covers the maximum space of India. Okay, North India. Then the second comes Satriya. This one is Satriya dance form. Satriya is basically from Assam. Okay, it is a classical dance form of Assam. Then the third comes here. This one is Manipuri. Okay, Manipuri is from
Manipur.
Manipur, simple. Okay. And then when we go little down, so there is Odissi. Okay, Odissi is from
Odisha.
Odisha, perfect. Then little down, more down, then there is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is from
Kerala.
No. Kuchipudi, Kerala baby, we are coming to Kerala. Satya, just have patience. Okay, so Kuchipudi is from basically Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Kuchipudi is from Andhra. And then it comes Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is from
Kerala has to be.
no.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Yes. Okay. So the Bharatanatyam, where is my, yeah. Bharatanatyam is from Tamil Nadu. And then comes Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is from
Kerala, Kerala.
Kerala. Yes, Satya. Confidence देगा सत्या का मोहिनीअट्टम आतेगा. Okay, so Mohiniyattam is from Kerala, and then Kathakali is from
Same.
Karnataka. Karnataka.
no, Kathakali is also from Kerala.
Kerala.
So there are basically two dance forms that belongs to Kerala. One is Kathakali and one is Mohiniyattam. Okay, and the Kathakali is meant to only for male. Okay, only male dancers do this dance form Kathakali, and the Mohiniyattam is only for females basically. Okay, so these are the 8 classical dance forms of India. Kathak is from North India, Satriya is from Assam, Manipuri is from Manipur, Odissi is from Odisha, Kuchipudi is from Andhra Pradesh, Bharatanatyam is from Tamil Nadu, Mohiniyattam and Kathakali is from Kerala. ठीक है?
North India means like only Uttar Pradesh or
No. North India में कौन-कौन से states आते हैं? What are the states that we cover in North India basically?
हिमाचल, जम्मू कश्मीर, यूपी, उत्तराखंड,
Yes.
पंजाब, हरियाणा,
Yes.
राजस्थान.
Yes.
Yeah, and
सब जगह पे.
Yes. तभी मैंने बोला. So Kathak is the only dance form that covers maximum part of India. Like, you know, it is completely from the North India, not belongs to any state. No. And how does it happen? We will be knowing more about it in the coming days. Okay, when we will be exploring about the Kathak origin and all these details about particularly Kathak, about Kathak. Okay. So there are only 8 classical dance form in India, not 40, not 50. Okay, Priya. मुझे सदमा अभी तक लगा हुआ है वो 40 और 50 का.
Actually, when she said 8, तो you said ना कि only 8. तो मुझे लगा कि मैं wild figure इसलिए मैंने.
नहीं.
मिस्टर बच्चन ने हमें कंफ्यूज किया और हम हो गए.
बेला एकदम पहचानने लगी है मुझे अभी. हाँ. सिर्फ 2 ही दिनों में ये हाल है तो पता नहीं 10वें दिन तक क्या होगा. ओके, चलिए ठीक है. Let's keep this much only for today. Okay, so I think we have a lot more things to practice and to especially this Guru Vandana along with the movements. Try to practice it with a little smile. Okay, so there are no such very deep or like, you know, very heavy expressions in this Guru Vandana. If there is a single smile, and that should be naturally, if it is coming naturally, then it's great. If it is not coming naturally, you can just keep it unnatural. It is okay. Okay. So it will be good. Okay, it will add more salt in your dance. Okay. आइए. So let's wind up the session with Bhumi Pranam. Okay. चलिए. 3, 2, 1. Start. Lakshna, you can also switch on your video so that I can also see you.
वो कुछ इशू हो गया, हो नहीं रहा.
Oh, अच्छा. ठीक है. चलो, कोई बात नहीं. 3, 2, 1. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 1. Yes. Navni, the same thing you are repeating. When you're doing this on the left, और जब आपको बैठना है तो you should be on your right side. ठीक है? Left से right को जा रहे हैं. ठीक है? Okay, वो ध्यान रखना, वो left हो गया था. आइए, let's have a minute of silence in the end. ओके, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
नमस्ते, आज के लिए आप सबको। I'll see you on Sunday, है ना? We are going to meet on Sunday. So we have Saturday.
म्यूजिक भेज देंगे व्हाट्सएप पे।
Yes, yes. I'll share the music on the group of this Guru Vandana. Okay. So on Sunday we will continue more technical and other things.
और चक्कर का भी कोई म्यूजिक है या
चक्कर का मैं भेजती हूँ, मैं आपको रफ रिकॉर्ड करके भेजती हूँ फॉर द प्रैक्टिस पर्पस। ठीक है?
तो क्या जो मेरा पार्ट मिस हो गया था स्टार्टिंग का, क्या उसका वीडियो आप ये रिकॉर्डिंग भेज सकते हैं क्या?
Okay, okay. I'll share the recording with you. ठीक है? The first part of the session.
हाँ हाँ, जिसमें मैं गुरु वंदना प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ। और एक चीज और पूछनी थी कि जो कर वाला मूवमेंट है फोर्थ वाला, उसमें क्या हाथ को ऐसे लेकर आते हैं?
फोर्थ मूवमेंट विच
जीरो बनाना बड़ा वाला,
कर्व वाला जो आता है,
मतलब जीरो बनाना है ना, बिग जीरो।
अच्छा, फोर्थ हैंड मूवमेंट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट,
हाँ,
हस्ता,
जो कर्व में लेते हैं।
यस, वो साइड से जीरो है, साइड से टुवर्ड साइड।
कैसे? ऐसे?
हाँ, नीचे से बनाएंगे, नीचे से गया हाथ एंड देन ऊपर जाएगा,
ऐसे ही।
हाँ, यस यस, और फिर वापस आएगा, देव स्थान पे वापस आएगा।
अच्छा,
यस, ठीक है। तो साइड से इसे बनाया, हाँ, दोनों हाथ, एक आगे आया एक पीछे आया एंड देन घुमा के, हाँ, यस, एंड देन कम बैक, यस, ये करना है। ठीक है? एकदम साइड टू साइड जाएगा वो हमारा। ठीक है?
ठीक है।
ओके, सी यू ऑन संडे, बाय बाय।
एवरीवन, टेक केयर।